This is the A2Z Typhoon Pro 2 adapter from Tesla Superchargers to non-Tesla cars with CCS1 in North America. It's cardboardy, weighty, came by UPS. No one likes UPS. Feel like cardboard. And it's so new. Is it a dollar store? Knife. Cutting right into the cardboard. This was once a tree. Now, the final cut. And there it is! What's inside? Could be anything. Could be the wrong adapter. Fresh new adapter smell. Smells like China. Bubble wrap. Oh, it's so heavy. It's so heavy. It's so heavy. Oh, it comes in a package. It comes in a little carrying case. By the way, over Boxing Week and into early January, got this for 25% off for the coupon code. Or coupon, as you say in parts of the United States. Now, for those of you who enjoy this, I will pop some bubbles. You sick, sick people getting off on this stuff. Alright, don't take it too far, James. We have an instruction manual which says, be careful. Weighty! It's weighty! One more bubble. Oh, that zipper is good. It's a good quality zipper. Not bad at all. You feel that? It feels uncomfortable on your fingertips. Nylon. And there it is. It's even got an egg carton foam type thing. And on this side, a different kind of foam. But it is the right adapter. Oh, it's so weighty. So weighty. I can hear switches disengaging, electric switches. So nice, so nice. And yet not authorized by GM, which I will be using it on a GM car soon. There you go. Typhoon Pro 2. And its case. Points back in, nice and snug. Right there. Huh? Twice the chargers in North America now. Twice. Just like that.
Join the Clean Energy Show's Clean Club with a YouTube channel membership or on Patreon and support our weekly climate programming. Get early access to all our videos and podcasts, as well as members-only bonus content, Discord server access, and a monthly bonus podcast from Brian and James. The Clean Energy Show is released every week wherever you get audio, as well as YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram.